Pisces, September 22 to 30. Yeah? Knock, 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 Pisces. So, welcome po ulit sa Scorp's Work Tarot. So, sana po ay nasa mabuti tayong kalagayan. Welcome po ang mga OFW. Knock, knock, knock. OFW, shout out. Yeah, OFW din po ako. Kaya alam ko yung pinagdadaanan ng mga OFW. Yeah? So, another weekend po na naman. So, nakaraos tayo. So, chillax day. So, laba-laba. So, yan ang gagawin ng magician over the weekend. Maglalaba. So, tignan po natin yung energy. Pisces, September 22 to 30th. So, ano ko yan? Sister ko sa pagiging water sign. Yeah, Scorpio po ako. So, very emotional. Mataas yung intuition. Ano pa ba? Medyo matigas ang ulo. Upright ito. Okay? So, introspection. Sinesearch mo yung liwanag. Hinahanap mo yung pera. Ayan, nakita mo na, nakuha mo na. So, new opportunity. Kung inaabang mo yung trabaho or nag-aaral ka ulit, biglang pumasok yun kasi this is more about wisdom. So, gaining more knowledge. Not necessarily mag-enroll ka sa school or kung nag-enroll ka sa school, meron kang pinaplano kaya ka nag-i-invest doon. Correct? Yes. So, kung sa OFW, nasa ka, apprenticeship and moving to that second stage of your career. Yun ang pinaplano mo. So, gusto mong mabuo yung yung pundasyon. Alam mo yung pinaglalaanan mo kung bakit ka gumagawa ng nagsusunog kilay ka, nagpupuyat ka para mag-aral. Yeah? So, kinakalaban mo yung antok and everything. Kasi you're looking forward to that pentacle mo. Yeah? So, knowledge, wisdom, learning, finding that inner yung higher purpose, understanding yourself. Tsaka ka mag-move doon sa ito ang gusto ko. Ito ang gusto kong makamit. Ito yung success na hinahanap ko. Yeah? Pisces, yan ba yung energy natin September 22 to 30th. So, it's all about moving forward to that dream. Yeah? Kung bumagsak siya na naka-reverse pero I'll read it as moving forward to the right direction. Nag-alchemy ka. You have all the tools. You have all the tools pero hindi mo alam. Hindi mo ginagamit. Kaya kasi siguro ngayon, nag-iisa ka. Nag-iisa para mag-isip. Para pag-aralan pa yung sa palagay mo makakabuti pa sa iyo. Para yung pangarap mo, yung kakayahan mo, magamit mo, moving forward to that goal of yours. Yung success mo. Kung ano man yung definition mo, Pisces, ng success. Okay? Pero ito is moving to that direction na grounded. Very grounding. Practicality. And you gonna get that one. Kasi hindi mo naman to hindi ito something na pinagdasal mo lang o nagtutulog ka. Ka rito, nag-undergo ka ng rigid mental training. Meron bang ganyan? Kumbaga sa military naging ka muna, kadete ka, tapos then you move up to the ranks. Yun ang direction na mo. Kumbaga sa Six Sigma, number ka na, anong belt na yon? Black belt, Yeah? Kasi nga, naniniwala ka na darating at darating din yung time mo. Yung guardian angel. Yung guardian angel mo na sasalubong sa iyo and parang graduation rite, alam mo yung tugtog na yung trumpet. Yeah. Okay. I do not know kung ito this is talking about um, cooperation. Ito yung collaboration, working with other people para ma-achieve mo yung kung ano man yung ma-achieve. Kumbaga sa trabaho, yung project mo. Hindi mo magagawa yung mag-isa. And you never alone should be. And okay, basahin ko siya na naka-upright kasi ang ganda nung mo dito Maaring before pasaway ka. Okay? I can see somebody na napasaway ka. I think this is reverse. Pasaway ka. Ikaw yung tipong nagsosolo flight na parang walang pakialam. Kung ano may dynamics noong ginagawa mo, wala kang pakialam sa sasabihin ng iba, wala kang pakialam sa nangyayari, wala kang pakialam sa sitwasyon until mabuhusan ka ng tubig na malamig and you decided na teka, baka ako nga yung may diferensya. Kasi ito yung judgment card meron siyang gumising. Okay? It works both way. Ikaw yung taong palaging cooperative. Gusto mong involved sa mga issue sa bahay. Tutulong, and you finally get that reward because of that hard work. Karmic. You do, yung ginawa mo because alam mong nararapat. Nandun yung knowledge mo and wisdom Whereas, somebody na who is pasaway, na nagising sa ingay nung turotot ni Archangel Gabriel or Raphael. I think this is Raphael. Yeah. I-check ko ulit. So, yung judgment time na yan, ito yung nagising ka, nadiskaya ka. Na-realize mo na mali yung ginagawa mo. And now you're moving to that positivity. Okay? Yung effort mo is giving you the opportunity kasi you gain knowledge from your experiences. Yeah? And hindi ito dumating dahil sa basta inawardan ka. It requires na lahat ng kaalaman mo, kakayahan mo, ginamit mo in a right way. So, there's no other way for you to go. There's no way for you to go na hindi ka maging successful. And the opportunity is knocking on your door. You see that? Okay? Sa relationship, if you're looking to have a kid, okay? Ito yung sinasabi na yung karmic, what you've done in the past will haunt you. This one, it's on a positive way. So, yeah, meron ba ganyang Pisces? So, I'll take babasahin ko yung dalawang Pisces na nakita ko rito. Babasahin ko siya. Okay? Again, iba-iba po yung timeline natin. Check po natin kung ano yung maka-resonate. Huwag pong pilitin. Oops, ano yung lumilitaw? Okay. Pisces. Yes. May kaibigan kang Cancer. Cancer yung kaibigan mo. Ready ka na to move on. Ano itong magandang ito? Nakakababasa ko lang kanina kay Aquarius. Kung meron kang kaibigang Aquarius, ang ganda nung niya. Ang ganda nung reading niya. This is about movement and success. So, nagtatamasa ka ng, I think, yung yung sinasabi kong dalawang Pisces, ano? Yung somebody na pasaway, itong both na Pisces na to, na ano yun dumating yung karma. Yes? Okay. Again, ano nyo lang po, i-resonate nyo lang kung ano yung mapipick up. Kasi merong ano siya yung isa is moving to the wrong way and while the other one is moving to the right way. Alam mo yun alam mo whether you're moving to the wrong way or you're moving to the right way kasi both of you meron kayong alam mo yung wisdom of yung rule ng what is right and wrong. Yeah? Yun, alam mo kung ano yung what is right or wrong Pero bakit you go to the wrong way? Ano naging dahilan doon? Merong after you done that yung decision mo, and then you have this fertility. This is about fertility. Am I talking to somebody na na gusto magka-baby? Meron bang ganyan? Or somebody who wants to get married kasi na-realize niya na yung partner niya, okay, it's a soulmate after yung tug of war of moving to the left or moving to the right. May kantang ganun moving to the left mo. Yeah. And going to that route na the peace and quiet. You finally found it. Dalawa yung ace of wands, ace mo dito new beginning and also fertility. Okay? Meron bang ganoon? Or somebody, meron ako nakita dito. Meron bang nagkaroon ng twins dito? You've learned from those negativity na I saw the devil again. May kaibigan ka bang Capricorn na yung influences overdoing things, lahat ng anything excesses. Tingnan ko yung ano ba ito? Ano ba yung hinanap mong wisdom na yon? Sino ka ba Pisces na nandirito sa na ang ganda noong ganda noong nung energy mo kasi yung pintuan ng opportunity is opening up to you and you use your meron bang teacher dito o meron kang teacher na mentor na you look up to Pisces. Okay? You're a nurturing somebody who is a provider, a good provider. You are a good provider. Yeah, you are a good provider. Mukhang very open ka sa sa heart space mo, hindi ka maramot in terms of emotional support. Kasi people look at you na ikaw yung masasandalan, ikaw yung glue sa grupo ninyo. Meron bang ganyan? Kasi meron ka yung set of skills mo yung wisdom mo and knowledge hindi naman necessarily mga surrounding mo o yung mga kaibigan mo mahina ang ulo, kundi ikaw yung palaging nasasandalan nila kapag may question sila. Pero bakit nararamdaman mo na para ka nag-iisa? Okay. I think meron ako nakitang somebody na introvert ito. Outside, you are a very nurturing, loving, caring person who talagang ibinibigay mo yung 110. Yes? Okay. Ito yung Pisces na, pero deep inside, okay, you need to get out of this mentality, okay? Alam ko dinadaan mo yung yung pagtulong, emotional support and guidance or whatever you can offer to other people. There's nothing wrong on that. Ngayon, you are guided by your guardian angel here eh. Alam mo yun, nakita mo yung yung trumpet niya. Ayan Ginigising ka. Kasi hindi mo napapansin na yung susi, ayun. Buksan mo. At nandun sa likod yung guardian angel mo. Ano itong iniisip mo na ito na parang ito yung poor mentality ito eh. Wala akong pera po, kulang ako ng pambayad. Those, hindi naman lahat na, I'm not saying na gutom ka or what. Pero alam mo yung faith mo, meron kang disconnected din sa faith mo, I think here. Wala ka bang tiwala sa sarili mo? Kasi nagbibigay ka ng you're providing people with your emotional and sometimes ikaw pa yung nag-o-offer maski na wala ka. Pero the fact na maski na wala ka, iniisip na wala ka, tumutuloy pa rin yung karma mo ng positivity. And sinasabi dito, gumising ka na lang, buksan mo yung susi. Ayun kunin mo yung susi, buksan mo yung pinto, sorry. Yeah. Hindi ka dapat magduda. That's how it is. Kung sa feeling mo na or sabi mo unfair or iniiwan ka palaging mag-isa or those kind of mindset, yung lack na mindset, okay? Despite that, dasal ka pa rin, alam mo yung faith mo very strong din eh. I can see here yung bang tawag dito, yung peace bird na yan, it's parang Holy Ghost or some, yeah? Yes, that's the cross and overflowing with love. Hindi mo nakikita yun. Bakit ka parang parang ito api effect ito eh. Meron bang ganyan, Pisces? Malamang yung emotion ni Pisces dito. Kasi as a water sign, ayun meron kang, alam ko nasaktan ka. Alam ko nasaktan ka. Nasaktan na gusto mong mag-walk away. You're walking away from, not physically walking away. Mayroong ganyan. Na hindi yung physical na walking away, but yung i-detach mo yung emosyon. Yeah, meron bang ganyan? Kasi ang tendency, maski na anong ganda yung nasa harapan mo, hindi mo ma-appreciate. Yung pera na ito, again, yung pera na ito, hindi nangangahulugan ito yung 24 karat na made of gold na coin na pwede mong isangla, okay? Pero yung foundation na kinakaharapan mo ngayon is there. Nasa harapan mo actually. Buksan mo lang yung pintuan. Ayan nakita ko kasi dito You see that door? And then may mountains. Okay? Yun yung susi noon, You have a 5 of coin and then you have that ace of coin. Okay? 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 is the balance. 6 of coins is the balance. Tignan natin kung makikita natin yon. So ngayon, kailangan mong yung mindset mo. Okay? It's all about the mindset. Lumundag ka doon. Ano ba yung naisip mong gawin? Okay? I don't see fear here. Well, I don't see any fear here. Hindi ka makakawala na naman, Pisces, dito sa awa, paapi mentality eh. Yung palaging parang kulang. Mahirap mahirap ding sabihin na alisin mo yung mentalidad na yan, di po ba? Hindi ganun kadali yun eh. Pero mas lamang yung ayan ka nag-ano ka. Bakit na ganun nangyari? Ganun yung nangyari. Ikaw yung nasa harapan mo na yung opportunity. Ano yung what's making you feel na you feel lack? Ayaw mo naman gamitin yung wisdom mo. Alam mo naman yung how to get out of that. So, bakit hindi ka makatalon? Bakit hindi ka makatalon? Pisces. Okay? Pagtabihin ko to. Ayaw mo, meron kang opportunity, gagawin mo na lang, aabutin mo siya. Pero bakit ayaw mo pang kunin? Ayaw mong buksan yung pinto para makapunta ka na sa hinahanap mong treasure, if that's what you're looking for. Treasure, that's treasure and definition mo is the solid foundation, yung blessing na mababayaran mo yung utang mo, and both at the same time that emotional balance, gusto mo overflowing, being a water sign as well. Yun ang makakapagbalanse sa'yo. May pagkasigurista itong si Pisces na ito Meron bang ganyan? Tignan natin. Ano yung dahilan? Bakit hindi ka makalundag para kunin mo yung offer sa'yo? I'm not saying na malakian or maliit, okay? Merong dumating at darating. Kung yan ang hinihintay mo, you don't need to worry. Pero, mag-initiate ka daw. Hindi na lang puro aral na lang. Yeah? This is a stage of lack and stage of understanding yung next is move mo. Yung yung kakayahan mo para to move forward. Kasi meron kang choice din na ginawa dito na magiging successful ka. Okay? So, Scorpio, meron bang Scorpio sa paligid mo, Pisces, na ina-admire mo? Or tumutulong sa iyo? Or keep you grounded? Parehong water sign. Pisces and Scorpio. O ikaw yung palaging bukas ang puso. Yeah? Okay? Well, there's no problem. Yung judgment day dumating na. Makukuha mo na as long as ipursigihin mo. You just need to take that action. Ganun yan Take that action, Pisces. Okay? Hindi mo mapili yung yung blessings mo dito Bakit hindi mo ma-feel? Bakit hindi mo ma-feel at narulong na na nagsisintir ka na palaging feeling mo palang inaapi ka? Pero bang ganyan? Okay, tingnan natin. Ano pa tayo? Kuha pa tayo ng card. Tingnan natin storyline. Okay. Alam kong naapektuhan ka somehow. You're looking that yung liwanag na yon. Ano ba yung liwanag na hinahanap mo? Ang may Virgo? Okay. I can see her Virgo. Scorpio. Leo. Meron ka bang ganoong ka-close friend or somebody close to you? Okay? na naging reason for you to have that feeling of lack. Ngayon, you want to move to, hinahanap mo yung yung offer na yan, yung blessings and strong foundation. If you're dealing with fertility problem, it gonna happen. Okay? Pero you need to take action. Okay? Na again, yung dalawang cancer na ito have a different storyline. Yung isa is in the past, hindi niya ginamit yung wisdom niya properly. Okay? I think yung isa doon nasa stage of lacking. Okay? Yung isa, ginamit niya yung past niya is all about positivity. Kasi at the end of the day, magka-crossroad yan and then you're gonna have that judgment. Okay, na meron kang natapos na cycle because meron kang new beginning here. Meron sayang dalawang nanliligaw, meron kang features na hinahanap, meron kang ideal relationship. Ngayon, nakipag-engage ka dun sa isa. Okay? Yung isa na hindi mo mababa yung score niya, well, nagkalimutan na kayo and then something came out. Yung kumbaga sa yung second runner-up, apparently, yung pala ang naging mas successful and happier. Kasi nakikita mo pa rin siya somehow and na-realize mo na yung iniwanan mo, yung ipinagpalit sa'yo mas maganda yung komportable yung sitwasyon kaysa dun sa napili mo. Yan, meron bang ganyan? Okay. So, yun ang sitwasyon dito. Kasi si Pisces na nakikita ko, ito yung para naging miserable. Again, hindi po yung miserable. Pero nagkaroon kayo yung dalawang Pisces na yan, dumating yung yung cross, yung judgment na yan, nung na-realize mo na ngayon yung isang Pisces, pinili niya yung number 2. Okay, yung second runner up. And it's not easy for both Pisces na yun. Yeah. Pero you have to live with that faith na maraming strength and courage and it's not easy. It's not easy. Pero you both having that belief na hindi ito pang permanente. Kung ano may pinagdaanan. Okay? Hindi ito permanente. But the other one, I think this is for this Pisces na nasa siya, feeling out of place, feeling alone, left out sa lamig, sa labas ng pintuan. Yeah? I think this is what the card is telling you. You still need to have that strength and courage. Yun ang wisdom na hindi mo nagamit noong you were given the choice in the past. Okay? Kung yung crossroad mo, if you just stay peaceful within yourself and believe in yourself, yung isang Cancer who made that right decision, okay, parang twin to ito yung isang, sabi natin yung twin, okay, 2 Cancer twins, one is the naughty one is the straight by the book, okay? Kasi yung isa palaging pina-follow yung we both have that wisdom. Alam nyo yung dapat, alam nyo yung tama at mali. Pero yung isa nagpunta dun sa mali. Yung isa nagpunta sa tama. Again, there's no right or wrong sa decision. Depende po sa situation kasi ng choices So, yung choice number 1 and choice number 2. Ngayon, yung both choices na yun, is moving also to that proper, the destination. Yeah? Iba kayang flight na kinuha. Yung flight number nung isa is smoother. Maski na nasa sa economy class. Alam mo, ganun tipo. Kasi it's a difficult way to navigate. Ngayon, yung isa is the best way to navigate. You know? Ngayon, nag-meet kayo on a crossroad. That's the judgment. So, ano yung tinanim mo, yun yung aanihin mo. And yung nag-choice noong number, ang first choice yung maganda, pero hindi magandang desisyon, lesser reward, put it that way, pero mas maraming pain. Yung isa, ayaw ng pain, gusto niya smooth, pero it's not happy. You know, that kind of differentiation. Ngayon, yung isa na yon, kailangan mong to take that opportunity, you need to jump. You need to jump. Yun ang sinasabi. Walang problema dun sa isang nag-choice ng good choice. Okay? Sila, parallel yung kumbaga sa kambal, pareho yung timeline yon. Point A yung isa, point B yung isa. And you meet that crossroad. So both you required strength, but yung isa mas need to be stronger, not just at the head, but also on the emotional level. Yeah. And you're moving also fast, both of you. Pareho yung velocity ng takbo ng ninyo sitwasyon. Yeah, meron bang ganyan, Pisces? Pero at the end of the day, somebody, okay, itong isang Pisces na ito, you need to jump to take that offer. Mag-initiate ka. You need to also do your share. You need to do your share as well. Again, sa relationship, do your share. Kung ako yung naglaba, ikaw naman yung magplancha. You know? And kapag ginawa mo if you do your part, and then you will appreciate yung small things, and that's where the blessings start to pour in. Yeah? So, yeah. September 22 to 30, shout out po ako sa mga Pisces if this something resonates sa inyo. So, nakalimutan akong mag-remind na magkape-kape tayo. Yeah? So, yun ang gagawin ko bukas. Yun, another weekend. Kuha lang ako ng Moon Oracle. This is not easy as well. I tell you. This is not easy as well. Madaling sabihin na tumalong ka doon sa sitwasyon, doon sa kasi yun ang magbibigay sa iyo ng opportunity. Anong magandang classic case niya? Yung nag-apply tayo bilang OFW, remember? Oops. Hindi ganun kadali yun. I remember noong lumipad ako, yung emotional attachment mo to something because you're used to doing that, and then all of a sudden, alis ka, natanggap ka. Oh my goodness, Pisces, nakuha ko yung moon mo. Okay. Yun, that's something na you're afraid to the unknown. Pero, after, I tell you, when the airplane is taking off, so nagtrabaho din ako sa Makati, and you see that landscape and everything, nag-flashback yung years of how many years you've been working there, tapos aalis ka sa Pilipinas. That's not easy. This is the one. This is the one, Pisces. Ulo ang tumalon na ito. Yeah. And I'm not saying it's all rosy. It's not that easy. That's why you need that strength. The face of the lion and heart of the lamb. Kasi babalansin mo yan But at the end of the day, the judgment will tell you. We all judge based on what we did. Umalis ka dito sa na ito. Sa api-api mentality. Because ito ka, nakilala mo lalo yung sarili mo, Pisces. Kaya ito yung advice sa'yo, sabi, beware of indulging in negative or depressive tendencies. Yes, gamitin mo yung wisdom mo. Ito ka, ito yung ano mo, energy mo eh. Ito yung energy mo, nandito ka, Pisces. Okay? I know it's not easy. If you're dealing with money issue, I know it's not easy. Pero you have the knowledge. Ano ba? Ito yung tipong na bumalik sa Pilipinas, naubos ang savings or whatsoever. I'm not saying na binaldas mo, pero yung cycle, yung judgment again, to start all over again. This is your Ace of Coins and your Ace of Cups. Kunin mo ulit yun. And this is what you need. Alam mo ito, Pisces. Yeah? Okay. So, September 22 to 30, kung merong ganitong nagre-resonate, so, shout out po sa mga OFW. Yeah, magkape-kape ulit tayo next week. So, salamat po.